Welcome to this amazing video. I know that you love KSI and you love Stranger Things, and today we are going to combine both of them and let's see what happens. The website I am going to introduce you today called evenstranger.pw, and this website allow you to create your stranger cover just by uploading your photo. So let's see how it goes. So I am on the site now, and just have to click on the upload image, and I just uploaded the photo and it start processing, and that's it. If the KSI can make a Stranger Thing poster, then you also can. So let's save this photo. Right click on the photo and save image as, download, and now I'm going to open, and that's it. The good thing about this poster is that AI auto detects what's the main thing about this photo. So it's detect magician if you have beautiful eyes, then it automatically detects if you have big forehead. If the KSI can become a Stranger Things poster, then you can also make your own posters. I hope you will like this. If you are a KSI fan or Stranger Things fan, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.